Are you looking for the best motorcycle model kits? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best motorcycle model kits on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Tamiya Yamaha Virago 15-1000. Tamiya Yamaha Virago 15-1000 is a plastic model kit that can be assembled. With a scale of 112 and a length of 187 mm, this model is suitable for hobbyists aged 14 and above. The Tamiya Virago 15-1000 provides an enjoyable building experience for motorcycle enthusiasts. The scale of 112 allows for intricate detailing and realistic representation of the Yamaha Virago 15-1000. The length of the model at 187 mm provides a substantial size for display. With its easy-to-follow instructions, this model is perfect for both beginners and experienced model builders. The Tamiya Virago 15-1000 is a must-have for motorcycle model kit collectors and enthusiasts. What we like: intricate detailing, realistic representation, easy-to-follow instructions. Number 2. Revell LA Street Chopper Model Kit. The Revell LA Chopper Kit is designed for builders aged 13 and up, featuring a classic California chopper style that captures the essence of motorcycle culture. With 107 parts, this skill level 5 model offers a rewarding challenge for enthusiasts. The kit includes intricate details, such as extended Springer forks and stylish chrome dual exhausts, which enhance the overall realism of your build. Additionally, the high back seat with a chrome sissy bar provides an authentic touch. Illustrated assembly instructions guide you through the process, although you'll need to supply your own paint and glue for that final customized look. What we like: classic chopper styling, detailed assembly instructions, high-quality chrome parts, challenging for experienced builders. Number 3. Tamiya Honda CB750F. Introducing the Tamiya Honda CB750F model kit, a perfect collectible for bike fans and modelers. This assembly kit features leading machines from MotoGP to popular road bikes, providing an enjoyable building process for both beginners and experienced modelers. With a reasonable number of parts, Tamiya maintains its attention to detail without compromising simplicity. For enhanced realism, photo-etched parts are also available separately. Paint and modeling glue can be obtained from any Tamiya dealer. Immerse yourself in the world of motorcycles and bring the joy of building to life with the Tamiya CB750F model kit. What we like: collectible, attention to detail, enhanced realism. Number 4. Tamiya Yamaha XV1600 Roadstar 1/12 metric ton recycle model. Tamiya Yamaha XV1600 Roadstar is a high-quality motorcycle model kit from the renowned brand Tamiya. As the leader in hobby products worldwide, Tamiya ensures that this model is made using the highest quality components and materials. The kit has been thoroughly tested for durability and safety, ensuring a reliable and enjoyable building experience. With its detailed design and realistic features, the Tamiya Yamaha XV1600 Roadstar allows you to create a stunning replica of this iconic motorcycle. Whether you are a hobbyist or a motorcycle enthusiast, this model kit provides an exciting opportunity to showcase your craftsmanship and passion. What we like: high-quality components, durable and safe, realistic and detailed design. Number 5. Tamiya 112 Honda CBR 1000RRR Fireblade SP. The Tamiya Honda CBR 1000RRR is a highly detailed model kit that you can assemble yourself. This 1/12 scale kit offers you a rewarding hands-on experience, allowing you to enjoy the satisfaction of building a replica of a classic motorcycle. You will receive step-by-step assembly instructions, though they may not be in English. Each part can be customized with your own paint choices, making this kit a great outlet for your creativity. However, remember that tools, glue, and paints are not included, so you'll need to purchase those separately to complete your model. What we like: high-quality detailed model, customizable painting options, Self-assembly for hands-on fun. Step-by-step assembly guide.